Kutsigira geza yatova mhosva. ED must go. Azvipere mushe. Vanhu vobuda vachichema pamusoro peheadline ramukona rikunzi ZANU-PF official in Masvingo denied bail over reflecting allegiance to Geza. Vakomana, if ya Bombshell Geza yakutonetsa iyi. Kutosapota Bombshell Geza yakutonzi yatova mhosva. Taona kuti mumwe otonyimwa bail. Otovata atori kuseri nokuda kwekusapota Geza. Sana kuti masvika munonyora panapa. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Chipina pana pamuno mubranyo mtinzi. Former Chiridzi White 3 councillor and the ZANU-PF activist Tarusenga Makamba remains behind bars after being denied bail last Wednesday, facing charges of inciting public unrest. Magistrate Tendai Mutamba ruled against releasing Makamba, who has now spent nearly 2 weeks in a remand prison. He is scheduled to return to court next Wednesday. The charges stem from a voice note Makamba allegedly circulating in a ZANU-PF WhatsApp group named Nakayedu, in which he is said to have urged members to brace for change. Just days before activist Blessed Bombshell Geza had called for nationwide demonstrations. Authorities claim the message, which included the phrase "Chikomo chewedza chofungaira," carried subversive undertones and was meant to stoke political unrest. Prosecutors argue the timing and content of the voice note linked Makamba to the protest plans. Makamba is being represented by human rights lawyers Rose Javi from Zimbabwe Human Rights Lawyers, who has yet to comment publicly on the court's decision. Vanopinda vanopinda comment section vachiti kutsigira Geza yatova mhosva, ED must go. Vanopinda vachiti zvinosungisa here. Vanopinda vachiti kana pasina rizere manzwira. Vanopinda vachiti varegerei kukanda nhengo dzese. Vanopinda vachitoti hei vachitoshamisika. Tiudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.